Well, we've all been hearing about the surge in COVID cases for several weeks already, but now we got a bit more information about just how fast Erie County leaders say it's spreading. County leaders held their weekly briefing this afternoon. Channel 2's Ron Plants has more for us, including the effort to make sure children stay in their classrooms despite the climbing cases. Ron.
Well, Kelly, unfortunately, another record set in Erie County with 1,368 cases reported in one day. Just one of the facts put out in this apparently last county COVID briefing, obviously for 2021. A quick recap otherwise. They think Omicron has been circulating here in Western New York for the past 3 weeks or so. That lab test confirmation we heard about last week being from a patient sample taken December 7th. One element of very good news, the hospitalization rate in Erie County really going down. Significant decline was the phrase used. Perhaps with the less severe symptoms of Omicron, the county executive polling cars and the governor still says Erie County's masking requirement for indoor public places is the real reason in their eyes. That's why they're staying with it and not looking at a vaccine for entry mandate right now. The county also says that with a push to keep kids in school, even with the higher numbers, they're going to start implementing the Test to Stay program for qualified school districts. That's the idea, where unvaccinated students exposed to COVID can test out rather than a strict quarantine at home.
We have sent out notification earlier today to all the schools, letting them know that we are ready to move forward to Test to Stay when they return from their Christmas break. Not every school may be eligible or interested. First of all, to the schools to be eligible, since they're going to be having to do rapid tests in the school, they're going to have a limited service license and a medical director, and be able to report the test results, both negative and positive, to the New York State Health Department.
Now, it will be interesting to see how school leaders react in the next few days or so. And some, like Buffalo School Superintendent, you may recall this, Kreiner Cash, expressing skepticism about Test to Stay just last week. Although there is again a strong political push from the White House on down to the governors to do it. On a parallel track starting later this week, more of those antigen at-home testing kits will be available, with millions coming into the counties from the state. We'll have more on that for Erie County coming up at 6.